So I'm going to tell you, with respect to the murder of Romeca Meeks, Holly Johnson has been arrested. Carlos Way might be arrested at some point. I don't know. But there's a lot of stuff we don't know about this. We don't know all the various facts about it. The facts are disputed. They're very much in dispute, which is probably why Holly's lawyer has claimed self-defense. Of course, she's going to claim self-defense. You know, it makes sense to at least pursue that strategy in the media. They're not necessarily bound to it, but you've got a large potential jury pool that's already being influenced, and it's going to be hard to live in Chicago and not know about this case, just because it's gotten a lot of national attention. I mean, the fact that I'm talking about it in North Carolina indicates that it's pretty widely publicized. So there's just so much that we don't know about it. This filing of a protective order by by Holly Johnson because she was threatened by Romeca. To what extent that factors into it, I don't know. Would certainly be an indication that she had a reason to be afraid. But again, it's hard to tell. We don't know exactly what happened at the car that night, whether or not she reached in and pulled out a gun and unalived Romeca. I don't know whether or not she had her own gun. I'm not sure whether or not she fist bumped, Carlos Way. It's unclear. All of that is in dispute. We don't have definitive video of this. There's been talk of video, but we don't have any at this point. Whether or not that would even be admissible is reliable. It's unclear. We don't know the quality of the video. We don't know how credible the witnesses are. Credibility of the witnesses matters quite a bit. There's just a lot that we don't know, and it's all speculation. And what's going to get in court, what's going to be heard by a jury, completely different than what may be talked about in the media. The media is not even really equipped to be able to talk about this because they don't necessarily understand the legal issues involved. So there's just a lot that's going to come out, a lot we won't know. So it's tough to say one way or the other. Although it doesn't seem to look good for Holly Johnson. Presumably, more evidence came to light that would indicate that she may have committed this crime because they didn't initially arrest her, and so perhaps the police have seen and the DA has seen some very negative videos and heard things from witnesses. We don't know what their cell phones records say. Again, there's just a lot we don't know.